guys, thanks for joining me on my channel today for another video. I am outside today because it is so nice. The weather is great. The sun is out, but it's still a little cloudy. It's just so beautiful. Wait, there's somewhere else that's probably really beautiful today too. Come along with me. Yay! Welcome to my island, guys. I am so excited to have you guys here with me on my island, which is called Little Sprout. I started making my island pretty much as soon as the game came out. I had it day of, and while I will admit that I have played a lot less these days than I did when it first came out, I still love it so much. I'll occasionally pop back in to check on my flowers and see how my islanders are doing. But today I just want to take you on a quick little tour of the island that I've built so far. So let's go ahead and start inside my house. Okay, hopefully there aren't any roaches in here. That would be great. No! My house is in shambles. I'm so sorry. I should have cleaned up before I invited you over. So here is my humble abode. I think it's pretty cute. I definitely have spent more time working on the outside of my island than the inside of my house. But here you can see I've got my two cats, Oliver and Cicero, and some little fixins for them. My little vanity is here so I can change my hair color and style whenever I want. And see, you know this is a totally fake made-up world because I have houseplants that are still alive in this game. But for now, let's go back into this room over here. And there's a roach hiding over there behind all my Lolita dresses. Excellent. So this is like a bedroom. I've got some rainy day music on the record over here. I've got a little hammy over here in the corner. Some of you will know that I used to have a hamster. I got these cute little Sanrio Animal Crossing collab posters. May let me use her little amiibo cards? I think that's what they're called. She let me use them to get those. I got all these cute outfit designs when the game first came out and there weren't so many like actual Lolita dress prints available. So I think I'll probably switch those out with some of my actual real life favorite prints soon. Let's move on. Oh my god, not another one, please! My friends are over! Let's go over here. I swear if there is a roach hiding beneath these cherry blossoms, I'm gonna lose it. So this is like a hanami room that I made. Hanami is the Japanese term for going and having a picnic under the cherry blossoms during cherry blossom season, usually in Golden Week. So I have the cool like raining cherry blossom wallpaper that came with the special spring event. I think this room is really relaxing. I wish I could have a room like this in my house. Let's go to the next room. So over here, I have started to set up a little tea room. I would love to have some of my girlfriends over to my island and we can have a little tea for ourselves. I'm so happy I got to use some of the items from the Reese and Cyrus like anniversary event. I think they were so cute. I wish I could have gotten more of them, but hey, maybe next year. Okay, so the last two rooms are the upstairs and the basement. And I'll be honest with you, there's really nothing going on with these rooms here. No! Except for the roaches. Yeah, down here I had originally started to use some of the cute like Halloween stuff, but I don't know, I lost inspiration, I stopped playing as often, and frankly, my shop really doesn't give me a bunch of furniture that's like cute or that I want to use, so I just really feel stuck. Absolutely not. This room I am really excited about though. It's made of chocolate, and as you can see I have a bunch of other desserts up here just sitting on the floor for the cockroach, I guess. Not really sure what I'm going to change this room into eventually, but I mean, I'm fine with it the way it is. I love the clickety-clack that the chocolate makes under my feet. Now I want chocolate. Okay, so that was it, home sweet home, and now I will take you to the rest of my island. So my house is built up on top of this little like plateau here. Got some waterfalls and plenty of plants. I've got like a little sitting area over here for picnics and whatnot, some morning coffee. Get off of there. And then over here, I've got my little workbench. Oh, I see Red is here, finally. A cute little path with a bird bath and some little star fragments. Up here, I have like my gardening area, which looks so nice with the black smoke of Red's boat behind it. But oh yeah, what perspective do you guys like to play in? I prefer the little zoomed out option, but I know a lot of people like this one. This one just reminds me of the GameCube version, which was my first one and my preferred version of Animal Crossing. But over here is where I have my hybrid garden set up. There's really not much going on over here at the moment because I haven't been tending to it regularly, but I do have some black tulips, so that's pretty cool. And we'll go back down here to the front of my house. I have this cute little pathway. Oh, Lily! Let's say hi to Lily. I made this little pond that's shaped like a heart, and over here is like a little tarot reading, moon viewing area. Lily! Can I like sit with you? Would that be cool? I'm gonna sit with you. I don't think I've used any of the new emotes yet. Yes! Oh my god, she's happy. She's happy I'm sitting with her. This is amazing. But I must speak to you now. Sorry for not getting up. I'm really comfortable. Girl, you go ahead. Take a seat. Take a load off. Oh, yes, and my island is 5 stars, so I have the lily of the valley flowers blooming up around my house. Love that for me. Oh yeah, here's the paths that I use. They kind of reminded me of like little gummy candies or like Candyland or something. As you can see, I have a lot of little flowers and garden beds around. Let's see if Peanut is home. Yeah, she is. Oh my gosh, she's working on something. Peanut, what are you doing? It's all good. We're just chilling, Peanut. A birdhouse? Well, that's cool, but I already know how to make a birdhouse. And if I get one more DIY that I already know. Okay, bye, Peanut. And back here we have just a little sitting area to observe the garden I made to the right, which we will go check out. Some of y'all might have already peeped some of the designs I have on the ground over here. And here's my Able sisters. This is something I'm especially proud of. If you notice these little guys, oh no, there's so many weeds here. I'm so sorry, please ignore that. If you know who these little characters are, then we can be friends. These are the Chows from Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. The Chow Garden was like my favorite part of that game, so I basically tried to recreate it as best I could, and I actually created the designs for these little chows myself, so I'm very proud of that. And then over here is probably one of the most recent additions to my island. I really wanted to go for it and do something cool, so I tried to make like a little onsen, like ryokan. So we've got like a kotatsu and the traditional baths, and then up here I made like a little garden area, and there are absolutely no weeds back here. I would never leave my island in such disrepair. You know it, I know it, we all know it. But yeah, and I've got a bunch of cute little colorful fruit trees up here, and no weeds. Another little garden. Over here was pretty much the first area I ever put any effort into building on my island. I initially made this during the springtime when the cherry blossom event was happening, and I wanted to have a little Hanami cherry blossom viewing party with my girlfriends. So all of these trees here that are around the picnic blanket were in full bloom, and they came over and we had like a little picnic. We took a bunch of pictures and stuff. So that's the Hanami viewing area. Over here I've got a cool fountain and some more seating. Most of my villagers are down in the lower part of the island, so we'll run into them soon, don't worry. Over here is the latest area that I have made. Okay, so in my head, over here we keep the bees and like we get the honey and stuff. And over here there's like a little tea room where we can use the honey in the tea. And then back here there's like a little shop where we sell the honey. And there's like these cute little bears that are having a picnic back here because bears like honey, you know. I thought it was really cute. I'm really proud of it, and honestly, 10 out of 10 would come and have tea here. And we'll go back down around this way. Oh no, I ran through the flowers. Please don't tell anyone. Oh, Gale! Hi. I know you're about to smell those flowers, but I need you to talk to me. Hi, Gail. Let's chat, huh? You like my smile? I am having fun. Thank you so much. Diana! She's so pretty. I love her. But she calls me Spud, which is not my favorite. Up here, I made like a little Zen garden. Let's see if Sky is home. Nope. Excuse me. And over here, we've got the campsite. It's not too polished right now, but I figured animals who come to camp will appreciate my little blow-up pool. Sky! Here she is. Lollipop. Okay, love that. What else do I have over here? Oh yeah, I made like a little sitting area on the dock over here. And I've got another little garden over here. And I made like a little smoothie, like fruit stand cafe over here. Of course, gotta be blasting bubblegum KK over here. I love Lolly. She reminds me of my cat Tilly, who passed away a few years ago, so it's nice to have her on the island. I don't really have too much going on the beach right now. Just some little lounging areas, you know? Come hang out, read a book. Cute little sand castle over here. I love your look today, to be honest. I wish I could also carry around a big lollipop. Yes, and I've taught her how to say ooh-woo. So let's hope that spreads like wildfire around the island. Yeah, I picked all the weeds yesterday. You're welcome. Bye! I see Stitches! My little man! Hello! Hi again. Yeah! I'm sorry, are we not friends, Stitches? Oh my gosh, okay, we are friends. Stitches is in competition for my favorite villager, with this stinky little boy in here. It's Bob! Oh my god. Real king right here. Bathrobe sandwich. Oh, I guess I could show you up here. I made like a little oh, excuse me, Stitches. I made a little stargazing area with a campfire and some cushions. I put all these here because this is usually how many people I have over on my island, so I thought it would be fun for us to be able to sit up here and hang out. No sign of Filbert, and also no sign of anything cool that I would like to buy. Thank you so much, Timothy and Tomothy. Goodbye. Oh, maybe he's picking out some new clothes. He sure could use them. There he is! What a stinky little boy. Okay, come here. You there. Oh, so cute. I had Filbert on like my original Animal Crossing island, so thankfully I got an amiibo card from May that let me upload him onto my island, and I'm so happy to have him here. He's so cute. Yay! Okay, you're welcome, Filbert. What are you gonna give me? What are you gonna give me? Okay. What is it? A cycling shirt. Thank you. Alright guys, well that was Little Sprout. Thanks for coming on a tour with me. Let's go ahead and leave the island. Oh, welcome back guys. Thank you so much for coming along with me for my tour of my Animal Crossing New Horizons island. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you thought it was cute. I definitely have some improvements I want to make, and maybe I'll do an update on those later. But I'm going to go ahead and head inside to enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy the rest of yours as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!